Hey, hi, I'm Priya from Business of Technology Bhimavaram. Have you ever stepped into campus and instantly felt inspired? Yeah, that's how I felt exactly when I first stepped into SRM University-AP. Spread across 200 acres, the campus truly reflects the world-class infrastructure and also modern academic blocks to the advanced laboratories equipped with cutting-edge projects. Every place here is designed to inspire learning and innovation.
Hello everyone, I'm Sanya from Mohan Babu University, Tirupati. So the most enriching part in this internship journey I've found is the workshop conducted by CSC department SRM-AP, which is a next generation intelligence system. In this workshop, they have covered all the booming technologies like drone technology, quantum computing and AI and ML, which has also interactive sessions with the faculty and also the hands-on sessions which helped us to learn and apply them in the real world problems. And the faculty and management of CSC department SRM-AP are so supportive and encouraging that they have conducted a lot of competitions like Codathon, Ideathon, which helped us to build a meaningful network with the students of different institutions. And also the proudest and a cheerful moment for me is I have achieved outstanding award in this workshop, and I've also achieved a prize as a first winner in the Ideathon. That would be the most memorable moment for me.
Hi everyone, I'm Anja George from IIIT Kottayam. Beyond technical learning, what I'll value the most is the guidance we received throughout our internship. I'm truly grateful to the faculty for creating such a positive learning environment. Having HOD as my mentor made my research journey even more meaningful, as his guidance gave me deeper understanding of research and inspired me to keep learning. Working with students from different colleges exposed us to diverse perspectives and enhanced our learning experience.
The university features also an excellent library and a grand auditorium and a spacious hostels, high-speed Wi-Fi and also sports facilities and a cafeteria in every block and also a vital space for students. The most impressive thing I have seen here was the quantum research lab and the data center and the state-of-the-art research laboratories.
And apart from these academics, there are sports facilities in SRM-AP which helps us to relax after our research sessions. And the most best part I have liked in my whole day routine is playing basketball, so that I can also interact with the students of SRM-AP and create a meaningful network.
SRM-AP is not but only the most beautiful university, but also it is the world-class place to empower students to learn future and shape the future. Thank you.